Are you ready to create your own Shopify website but don't know where to start? I'll walk you through step by step of creating your own Shopify store, even if you're a beginner. Hi, my name is Terry, and I am a Shopify web designer for over 5 years, and I also use Shopify as my own platform. I'll walk you through setting up your store, going over themes, payments, and key features. In this video, you'll have a functional, fully Shopify website ready to launch. So first off, we'll be signing up on Shopify.com. You'll want to click Start Free Trial. Once you click Start Free Trial, it will just ask you a few questions. Be sure to answer those, and then you'll just go ahead and click sign up with email. So once you are signed up with the email, it would then take you to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. This is home. If you were to click home, it'll pretty much take you back to the home page. This is orders. If you have orders, if someone buys from you, that's where your orders will be. Also have like drafts and shipping labels or banning checkouts. And then next, after orders, as you see, if I click home, it takes you back to your home page. And this is the customer section. Once you start having customers, their information will be stored right there. And then next, this is analytics. If you want to check how much you made for the month or see how your store is doing, you definitely want to check that out monthly. Next will be the discounts. If you wanted to create a discount code, this is where the discount sections is. And this is online store, the fun part where you get creative. You'll go ahead and click on online store to start customizing your website. And then also this is if you want to know how to get paid for your orders or your sales, you'll go to settings and click payments. Right here, it will say activate Shopify payments. Right there is where you'll be sure you can accept payments so you can start getting paid. And then if you ever want to change the domain, you can click domains on the left hand side right here. If you wanted to change the myshopify.com, as you can see right here, you can change that to a new myshopify.com. Or if you just wanted to drop the myshopify.com, you'll click right here, buy new domain. As you can see, this website is available. If I were to purchase it, it is $16 a year to drop the My Shopify and to get the .com. So now we will go back to online store, and this is how you customize your website. I'm going to show you guys how to view the themes. So they do have free and paid themes. You'll click themes, and then it'll take you to like the theme store, or you can also scroll down and you'll click visit theme store. I am going to use a free theme for this website, but just want to show you guys how you can view and look at other themes, because they do have paid ones as well. They're just a little bit more professional, but a free theme as well. A free theme is okay. I'll click free and they'll show me all the free themes. And then if I want like a certain niche website or theme, I would go ahead and search right here, health and beauty, because I am making a lip gloss website. And as you can see, Dawn is free and it's saying it's for this type of niche. So I'm going to use Dawn. I honestly always use Dawn. So I'll click try theme and have that inserted into the store. And right now it's loading. And then if you want to go back, it's actually an easier way to add that theme. I just did it the hard way. If you're on online store, you'll just go down and click add right there where it says Dawn add. But as you can see, I did it the hard way, just showing you guys other themes. So then you'll want to click customize so we can start designing the website. So I always start at the header announcement bar. I will click that, and instead of welcome to my store, I'm going to change the words, but I'm going to change the color scheme to just all black. This is like a pink and black type of website, a lip gloss, beauty cosmetics store. And this pre-made Shopify store will be linked in the description. It is for sale. And then I'm going to center the logo, and I do already have my logo ready, made in Canva. This is how you download a logo from Canva as transparent, like without the, square in the background, just in case you were wondering. And I'll click select logo, upload straight from my laptop. And then I would upload the logo. And then once that loads, I would then click done. And then I will blow up the logo because it is pretty small. And I do have a freebie link in the description. It is a 14-page checklist on what to do after creating your store. Link in the description for more information. Now, I do like to edit on mobile view just because most people are shopping on their phones. So after that, I am going to start working on the header. I'm going to go back and change the words for the announcement bar. I'm just going to change it to like free shipping over this amount, just so, give the website a full look. And then after I add the free shipping, I will move on to the image banner, well, the first image. I'll click save. Then after that, I am going to upload my first photo right here where it says browse our latest products. So I'll go back and I'll click image and I'll upload straight directly from my laptop again. And I'll pick a photo. I'm going to be using one of these, like I said, it's a lip gloss website. And then after that is uploading, I'll click done. And then I will go back to show you what the header looked like. The image header, not the image header, the image. And then I'm going to change the words. I'm going to turn down the dark transparency on that. And I'm going to make it ambient just so it can move around a little bit. And then I'm going to change the words to reflect more of the lip gloss website. I'll change it to the plumpest lips. This is like a plump lip gloss type of brand if I had to, make it up. And I'm going to make the header, the heading small. And then I'm going to go to add a section and I'm going to change the words right here, feature products. It's going to be named after like a collection. So I'll just name this to like Juicy Collection. And I will go back and change the text because the text is not giving lip gloss brand, So I will change that. And I'm going to change the bottom, the footer to scheme 4, color 4, which is black. Then after that, I'm going to click save. Now I'm going to click exit and start adding the products. So I will click products and we're just saying this is like an inventory based lip gloss business. Like I have the inventory on hand. I'll click add product and I'm going to name, put the title of the lip gloss. First, I'm going to add the photo just so I can figure out how I'm going to name it. And then once the photo uploads, I'm going to add the title. I named it Nude Gal. And then I'm going to actually use Shopify's AI to create my product description, which is a very cool tool. I love this so much. So what I would do then is I would then click save and that's created. And then after that, I do like to preview what it looks like on the store. This is just an example of what it looks like so far. And then after that, I will go back and I would go ahead and use the AI tool. I'll describe like the lip gloss. And then after that, I will click generate just so I can get like a better product description. And then after that, I'll click generate and it's going to give me like a full paragraph to put in my product description. So I had clicked expert and I didn't like expert. So I went back and changed it to persuasive, which is like usually the one I use because it like just words the title better. So then I'll click persuasive and then I'll click generate again. And what they gave me was so good. And I'll click keep. As you can see, it says experience the ultimate in lip perfection with Nude Gal, our soft plumping nude lip gloss. Yes, that's what we want. Fire. So then after that, I would put a price. I just made this price up in my head and then I would track the quantity and everything. That's just a little meta search engine keywords, which is needed. And then I would just click add how many I have. We're just going to say 5 inventory. And then this is a physical product because it's supposed to be for inventory base. And then I will add this to a collection later. I'll show you guys and I'll just click save. So that is how you add a product. I'm going to show you guys one more time. It is the same process. Adding a photo from your laptop or computer. You'll add the title. Once you have the title, you'll then use the AI tool to get that full description describing your product. Next, I will go back to online store and click customize just to show you guys what that will look like with the products actually uploaded. So I will scroll down, and as you can see, some of the products are showing. I did choose to do 4. After that, I am going to go back out and create the collections. To create a collection, you'll click product collections right there, and then I'll click create collection. Now I'm just going to name the collections, and then I'm going to go in Canva and show you guys how I create the cover photos for the collections. So this is what you're going to see me do next. I'm going to hop into Canva, Instagram post square. I am going to upload one of the photos that I do have from my laptop. And then once that's uploaded, I'll go ahead and click it to add to the post. And then I will change the background of the color to a color that matches on the photo, just so once I turn down the transparency, it is very matching, just really branded, not using no wild different colors or too far fetch off the, the brand colors. And then next, I'm going to add some text. I do want the text to look like a type of, cosmetics brand type of text or fonts, I should say. So I added the font, and I'm going to center it at the bottom. I did end up changing that. And then once this cover collection photo is done, I'll just click duplicate, which you'll see me do right here, just to make it easier. After that, I'll go back to Shopify collections, product collections, and then I'll start adding the cover photos one by one straight from my laptop. And then if you were to click online store, customize, this is what it will look like, just so you can, view what you just did. I do have to add that navigation for the main menu. I'll go back for that. But as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and add the collection. So I'll go to add section, collection lists, and I'm going to show you how to add the collections one by one. After coming back to the home screen, after exiting, you'll click navigation under online store, and I'll click main menu just to fix the main menu header or tab, should I say. I'll change catalog to view all, and then I'll leave the contact. That's for contact us if if you need to be contacted. So I'll start adding my collections, and this is how you add collections to your main menu. And this website is linked in the description. It is for sale. I do sell Shopify websites. Click in the link in the description to view the website. Now I am going to go ahead and change the fonts for the website. I did want it to be like a little bit more bold as far as like the titles. So now you're going to see me change the fonts, and look at the difference once I click this font, you guys. Like, it goes from like 0 to like 100. Like that font, it goes with the brand. It just looks like it goes. So right here, as you can see, the main menu was added. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the website again. It's pretty much done. This is the contact form. Like I said, I left the contact there. This is what that looks like. Now, your store will have the password on. Usually that's how Shopify stores are. You have to make sure you remove the password before launching. But you can see the store password right there, so you can type it in, or you can give it to other people if you want them to shop early. And when you go back to your homepage, be sure to do that checklist. The setup guide is very helpful. And that is the end of the video, you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.